Hi friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to analyze State Bank of India share price with use of some kind of small technical tools. Considering the fact that State Bank of India has posted a very good financial results for the last financial year, we can see what are the key factors, what are the key figures are there. First of all, net profit. They have reported a net profit of 3,580.81 crore against 838.40 crore. And second main factor is that the asset quality has improved much better than the previous quarter. Gross NPA has 6.15 versus 6.95, and net NPA is 2.23 versus 2.65. Now the fundamental things that the financial results are showing a very good support for the bank. Actually, we can see from the technical aspect also how the technical analysis working on the chart, how the price action will be from the present price level to the future, whether we can go long from this current price and whether we'll get enough return. So we can use small technical tools, what are the simple technical tools, and identify what kind of things we can conclude from that analysis. This is State Bank of India chart, share price chart. So we can see here 2001 and the price of State Bank of India were showing in the chart is 16 rupees. From the 16 rupees, it touched the high of 373. So within 20 years, the price this was touched on 2019 July. So within almost 20 years, it touched 379. From there, it bounced back, it again crashed and touched the low level of 140, 150, almost 150 level. So what is the importance of this 150 level? We can see before drawing itself, we can see here also around 150, this is supported. This was on 2011. Then again come back to the next time. This was on 2013. 2013 around 153 has posted the low, actually 145 marked the low. Then again come to the 2014 again, that same level approach and supported and tested that level. From there it bounced back and had a bull rally from and touched high, again came back to the 2016. This is on which year we can see 2016. Okay, 2016, the same level, exact same level touched, and from there again the rally had happened and touched the high of 374 or 75 over the high. Now from considering all these previous data, we are sitting here. So in this from the historical data, we can identify, we can easily conclude that this 140 to 150 level is a huge support level for State Bank of India. So we can draw a support line here. We can draw a support line. So if you are drawing a support line, we can identify that here this chart is clearly showing that you can see that this price section, this time the price crashed and touched the low of 150, around 150 level. That was the superb level to go for long. If you are a technical analyst or if you are new to this trade, considering all these things, you can say that 150 is 140 to 150 is that level is a super support level, because many years that level has protected. So selling will not happen last few years from 2011 to 2020. We can consider, if we are considering the historical data, to 140 to 150 is a good support for the State Bank of India. Now some of the people who realized that, and they started buying State Bank of India in this area. So that's why the State Bank of India bounced little bit and touched the high of yesterday 192 or 193 level. From there it closed around 188 or 187, 188 level. So this is showing that this candle, yesterday's candle, is basically movement has happened because of the financial result. That is Friday's movement is basically on the in the light of the financial result. Now we can see what kind of call we can take from this level. That is, we are sitting in this level. the closing of 187.80 is the closing level. From this level, what kind of call we can take it? We can use simply small kind of technical tools here. One is we are using one for drawing some trend line. Here we have to identify whether this trend has broken. Small trend, this is a small movement we can predict from here. So it was tested this level. They're trying to break upside but not happen here. It was trading in this range, but and once it is broken, but again it came back into the inside this is a false break actually, and it came back into this trend line upside. Then again tested here, again it came back into this level. Now it has finally broken this level. This level is around 165 to 170 is this level. So this level has finally broken on 1st of June. From there the movement has happened. Suppose you are here and you could have gone here also, and then you might be making some around 165 to 190 around. You can make 25 rupees from this moment also. Now where it will retrace, where it will resist, we can identify some of the levels. First we can see what are the levels it can resist. Now we can see the previous high of this candle. This is the previous high. We can, if you're taking these two, can be also considered. If you're considering this also, both will be coming in. So around 195 to 196, it is chart is showing that 195 to 196 is a resistance for this rally. For this rally from 150 to 190, this rally initial resistance is showing around 195 level. We can see some other tools also, and we'll identify whether this level is an important level. Whatever we are identifying as a previous high or something, is there any significance for this level, that we can identify with some other tools. Now we'll directly jump into retracement level. We can use the retracement level, and the retracement will draw this was in the downtrend, and the downtrend is trying to retrace or recover from this downtrend. So we have to use here retracement from this level to the bottom level will draw. Then we can identify that around 192 to 193 it is showing a retracement. It's the first resistance level. It is showing here 192 to 193. It is showing the first resistance level 192 to 193. We also with use of previous candle high, simply if you are checking also, we can see this candle and this previous high also coming into almost close to this level. This was showing around 195, and this retracement is showing around 192 to 193. They're almost same. So this 192 193 is initially SBA may resist this level, so some kind of profit booking may happen from this level. We can analyze for a study purpose. Now we can use one more complex tool, that Ichimoku cloud. In this cloud, if you are using this cloud analysis, Ichimoku cloud, we can see the same level is showing as the resistance. This is SBI's daily chart. In daily chart, this is showing this around 192 to 193 is the crucial, around 195 even if you are taking, it is showing a crucial resistance level for immediately first resistance level for State Bank of India, this move, up move. So most probably some kind of profit booking may happen from this level. Suppose if the based on the price action, if this level has broken, then we can see a good move also from initial resistance level. The first resistance level, we can, if it is a break, then we can see around 240 level up movement also. 240 level, there is some kind of retracement to 240 level. So what kind of call we can take from here? So if you are drawing a trend line again here, considering that it's not that much important, but still for the trading purpose we can keep it. So if we are drawing some support line as trend line here, this level, if the share price is approaching around this level, near to this level, we can go long from here. But you have to remember that your stop should be below this support level, as that is the basic support, the biggest support level for the State Bank of India, around 145 to 150 level. So if you are keeping a stop below this 150 to 150 level or 145 support level and going long, that will be as a long-term investor, that will be a good call for considering all the historical data, we can say that is a good call, because many instances, many years it tried to break 140 150 level, not at succeeded. So this time also it came to the same level, but that again the price action is showing that that level is protecting, that level is not breaking. So we are not too late. Even if you have a view to go for long from the around 170 or 180, if it is retesting, because the first initial resistance is showing 192, so some kind of profit booking may happen. But in that profit booking, if you can enter into if you can create a fresh long position keeping below 150 stop loss or something, you just try for a study purpose whether this kind of calls is working or not. If you are considering it is for a study purpose, I think you can keep this way. Here you can keep a long position, or if it is coming near to any area 150 level, keeping below this 150 as a stop loss, or this support as a stop loss, that is a good call for as a technical analysis analyst. That way you can learn some kind of trades also. So try to learn with this kind of small analysis whether it is working or not, that you can also test from at your end. I hope small outline about this I gave you small outline about this State Bank of India price action from this level. Now if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video.